Hi students, today we will see indices and cube root. Now look, some portion from your book, the government has reduced. That is, this first all things they have reduced. Which things are there? Look, this let us recall all things they have reduced. Okay. Now we'll see, let us learn. So, meaning of numbers with rational indices. Meaning of the numbers when the index is a rational number of the form 1 upon n. Let us see the meaning of indices in the form of rational numbers such as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5 and so on up to 1 upon n. Now look, before that we had seen the indices, they were in the integer form. You know, all positive numbers 0 and all negative numbers, these are known as the integers. Now we will see that numbers are rational numbers. Rational numbers we are writing in fraction form or m upon n form. So here we have to take the indices of the numbers such as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5 and so on up to 1 upon n. To show the square of a number, the index is written as 2, and to show the square root of a number, the index is written as 1 upon 2. Okay? Square we are writing, just I will tell you one example. If I want to write square of 3, then I will write 3 raised to 2. And if I want to write square root, suppose this square root 9. Then I can write this number as 9 raised to 1 upon 2. It is meant by square root of 9. Okay? Or the second root means square root only. Okay? Now see here. To show the square of a number, the index is written as 2, and to show the square root of a number, the index is written as 1 upon 2. For example, square root of 25 is written as, in square root side, you can write 25 using the radical sign. And we are saying it as square root also. Now using index, it is expressed as 25 raised to 1 upon 2. That is nothing but square root of 25 is equal to 25 raised to 1 upon 2, and answer of this is 5 because square root of 25 or the 1 by 2 order of 25 or 25 raised to 1 by 2 is equal to 5. In general, square of a can be written as, means if we will take the number as a, then a square we will write a raised to 2, and square root of a we will write in square root sign a. Here look, this sign indicates the order of this set or order of this is 2. Okay, we are not writing 2 because when we are writing this sign, then what is meant by this? Order of this sign or order of this number, it should be 2 only. Okay, if I will write here 3 or any other number 4 or here 17, 18, then this order it will change or root will change. Here 4th root will come, 17th, here 18th root, here cube root, 3rd root, or we can say it as cube root. Similarly, cube of a is written as, look, they had given here a's cube we are writing as a raised to 3, and cube root of a is written as, in cube root sign here this radical sign will show the order of this a is 3. That is mean by the cube root of a. Otherwise, you can write it in base and exponent or base and index form as a raised to 1 upon 3, means cube root of a. Okay, now we will see the examples given in your book. For example, here they given 4 raised to 3. Now in this topic we will see the indices as well as the cube roots. So cubes also. Now 4 raised to 3 means we have to multiply 4 by 3 times. So here they had given 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 64. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Suppose I will write here 2 raised to 4. What is mean by this? We have to find the 2 raised to 4 means we have to write the 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 how many times? 4 times. And then answer will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Means here you will get 2 raised to 4 is equal to 60. Okay. Now here they given the another example, that is, or here you can say that look, in radical sum I can write this number as this answer will come 2 means 4th root of 16. I can write this as 16 raised to 1 upon 4 and answer will come 2. Okay, these both are equal. This we had written in radicals using radical sign and this we had written in index form. Okay, now look here in your book they given, therefore cube root of 64 can be written as, in radical sign 64 order 3 or 64 raised to 1 upon 3. Note that 64 raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 4. Now next example they given, that is 3 they multiplied 5 times. So 3 raised to 5 is equal to 243. That is 5th power of 3 is 243. Conversely, 5th root of 243 is expressed as 243 raised to 1 upon 5 or 5th root means in radical sign we can show it. Radical sign we will write the number 243 and the order is 5th or root is 5th. So outside 5 will be there. Hence 243 raised to 1 upon 5 is equal to 3. In general we can write nth root of a is expressed as a raised to 1 upon n. This is nth root of a. For example, look here they given 2 examples. 128 raised to 1 upon 7. What is mean by this? 7th root of 128. Next example they given, that is 900 raised to 1 upon 12 means 12th root of 900, etc. Now note that if 10 raised to 1 upon 5 is equal to x, then you can write that x raised to 5 is equal to 10. Okay, understand this? Now you have to express the, from your practice set they given the questions. These are, first question is express the following numbers in index form. Okay, 5th root of 13 means you have to write it in index form. How to write? Look here they given, no, same way you have to write it. 5th root of 13 means 13 raised to 1 upon 5. Okay, like this. 7th root of 128 we had written 128 raised to 1 upon 7. Same way 6th root of 9, then square root of 256, square root means 1 upon 2. Okay, cube root of 17, 8th root of 100 and 17th root of 30. If they will say write this in sign, then here you can use the sign also like this. But we have to write, express the following numbers in index form. So you have to write the index form of this number like this way. Okay. Now next, nth root of a. Here we have to express in words. Means 81 raised to 1 upon 4. Means here, what you have to write here? This will come, look, here 81 raised to 1 upon 4 we have to write. Nth root of a form, then what will come? 4th root of 81. understand this? How to write? Here square root, or you can write second root also, but mostly we are using the word square for 2 and cube for 3. So here you have to write square root of 49. Then next is fifth root of 15. Then ninth root of 512. Then 19th root of 100 and 7th root of 6. Okay. Now next is, by this information you can solve the practice set 3.1. Now next we will see second point, that is the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form. You know the numbers we can write in rational form as m upon n, or the fraction. We know that 8 square is equal to 64. Cube root of 64 is 4. That also you know. So here look, 64 raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to, you can write 8 square up to 1 upon 3 is equal to 4. Look here what we did. Just this 64. 64 raised to 1 upon 3 means cube root of 64 is 4. And square of 8 is 64. So here in place of 64 we had written 8 square. And upside we had written third root of this 8 square. That answer is 4, that you know. But look, these 2 will shift upside. Then what will come here we will see. Cube root of square of, here how to read this. Cube root of square of means downside's number is the root and upside's number is the index of that whatever particular number will be there. So here square of cube root of 8 is 8 raised to 1 upon 3 raised to 2 is equal to, now look, this answer is 8's cube root is 2. So 2 square, then you will get the same answer, that is 4. Now we will read this as, look, 8 raised to 2 upon 3 means you can read it as, look here, they given like this, square of, square means this upside numbers, means whatever number will be there in the numerator place, that number we will write first, then square of, and downside this is the 1 upon 3 means cube root or third root, cube root of 8. Okay, so suppose here 10 raised to 5 upon 7, then how to write this number? Here you can write as, now look here, fifth, index is fifth here, means 5. Here fifth index, so power, fifth power of, here root is 7th. So 7th root of 10, like this way. Okay, here 3 will be there, then 8 raised to 3 upon 5 you can write as third power means cube of fifth root of 8. Okay, do you understand this? Now we will see whatever points given in your book. Now look here, they given the formula, that is a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So here they converted this example as 8 raised to 2 upon 3. So you can write here cube root of square of 8 or square of cube root of 8. Both the way you can write this. Same way they given here another examples. These are, look here, 27 raised to 4 upon 5. Here 4 is the power and 5th is the root. So 5th root of fourth power of 27, or you can write first power then fourth power of fifth root of 27. Okay, generally we can express two meanings of the number. Means first of all you can write in the form of root and you can write in the form of power also. So general form of these numbers is given, that is generally we can express two meanings of the number a raised to m upon n. That is, here keep in mind m is the index and n is the root. So a raised to m upon n, they given a raised to m bracket raised to 1 upon n means nth root of mth power of a. You can write like this. And if we will consider for in the form a raised to 1 upon n raised to m, then mth power of nth root of a. Whatever examples they given in your practice set 3.2, you have to solve according to these rules. Look, complete the following table. Here they given one example, that is 225 raised to 3 upon 2. First they written this in power of the root, and second way they had written root of the power. So power of the root you can write here. Look here, power is 3. So cube of square root of, you can write cube of square root of 225. Then if we are writing power of the root and if we are writing root of the power, then you can write here square root of cube of 225. Same way the second number I will tell you. Look, here we have to write power of the root. Here power is 4. So fourth, here they given power of the root. So we will write this number here cube of square root of 225. Here we are writing, look, power of the root. Then how to write that again I will tell to you. So see here, we'll write here what will come. Look, first example, cube of, here fourth, this is fourth is here power, fourth power of how much root? Fifth root of 45. And here you can write fifth root of fourth power of 45. Okay, same way you have to solve the examples from practice set 3.2. Second question they given, here you have to write the numbers. Okay, they given the numbers in the form of rational indices. You have to write it. Okay, so solve practice set 3.1 and practice set 3.2 in your notebook. Be safe at your home. Thank you. Bye.